Knock-knock, mga kausap. Ako si Bobby, ang iyong ka-talk for today. Tara, pag-usapan natin ang kursong komunikasyon, ang civic engagement. Do you know what civic engagement is? I got you. Let me tell you about civic engagement or civic participation. It is any individual or group activity addressing issues of public concern. Communities working together or individual working alone to protect public values or make change in a community. Tandaan, ang goal ng civic engagement is to address public concern and promote quality of the community. Civic engagement includes both paid and unpaid form of political activism, environmentalism, community, national service, volunteering, national service, service learning are all form of civic engagement. Alam mo ba kung bakit mahalaga ang civic engagement? Civic engagement can bring empowerment, belonging, innovation, democracy, inclusiveness, enrichment, and last, unity. For more, watch my next video. Kaya sa susunod kong pagkatok, tayo ay muling magtotok. Muli ako si Bobby, ang inyong katok for today's episode.